I've been coming to this event for 15, 16 years now, ever since it started here in Odessa. It's become quite the event. Lined up at the start line about half the times I've showed up here. Probably only finished about half of those, but it's become quite the reunion where we kind of just only see people sometimes once a year here, and become quite the brotherhood, and just going out to open the throttle. Good open terrain, gets better every year.
I think you joined the Stump Jumpers.
Yeah. and I've been racing ever since, and I'm now going to be 82. But I am a little slower than I used to be. Well, matter of fact, a lot slower. There's always some anxiety when you're heading out to the starting line, you know, and trying to hope to get a good line when you get out there to get to the starting gates.
About 35 miles in, and this hill here is going to conquer me, but if I ride more, I think I'll come back next year and be ready for some more.
Pardon?
What would you tell them? New racers, if they come out here, what would you tell them?
Just enjoy yourself and be aware. Be aware. The fastest people don't always win the race. It's a fast person with a good head and pays attention are the ones that win the race.